First of all, what makes it different? Ito na lang, ibabato ko sa inyo rin ang tanong. What makes you different in I Am Worldwide? Sige nga, ano ang meron kayo nang wala ang ibang kumpanya? Ano? Ako.
You.
Ako. So para nyo na rin sinagot yung tanong. What makes our barley different? What makes it different is this is the barley that made me better. Correct? So, our company stands on the testimony that we have. Correct?
Yes.
Ako yung nagdala ng barley sa Pilipinas bago pa man lahat ng barley na dumating sa bansang ito. Bakit ko dinala? Kasi it worked for me. So, if it worked for me, and that is the barley that we have, that is what makes us different. Correct? Now, again, maraming pilosopo sa mundo. I will expound. This is the barley that comes from the organic farm in Australia that was previously a cattle farm for over 30 years. So why is the organic level of our barley above all barleys in the world? Kasi for 30 plus years, cattle farm siya. Alam niyo na naman kung ano yung cattle. Alam niyo? Cows. Right? Cow farm. So kung maraming cows, ano nangyayari sa land?
Healthy.
Nagiging fertilized extremely well. Organically. Correct? Okay. Also, there is such a thing as they call the magic trio. What is the magic trio? That is climate, soil, and irrigation. And where our farm is in Australia has the best of those three. Maraming pwede magsabi niyan. But really, are they organic, GMO, and gluten-free? There are many, many kinds of barley from all over the world. But if you want the best quality barley in the world, then you need to be sure and you need to get only I Am Worldwide Pure Organic Barley. I am a 35-year cancer survivor. I think that speaks for itself. That is the testimony of our barley. Correct? So kung may magtatanong what makes it different, again, I stand in front of you, my I Am distributors, our MVP team, ako po ang what makes it different.
Yes.
And I'm proud to say that I don't supply any other company except I Am Worldwide. So that is what makes us very different from other companies. Okay? Nasagot ko ba?